Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to discuss what is root locus and a brief introduction to the root locus. Locus means path. Locus means path. Root means roots of the characteristic equation. Root means roots of characteristic equation. So already we discussed what is characteristic equation. The characteristic equation is nothing but if you make the closed loop transfer function denominator equal to 0, then you will get the characteristic equation. So up to now we are studying how to find out the stability of the system by using Routh-Harwich criteria. By using Routh-Harwich criteria, by RH criteria only we know how to find out the stability, whether the system is stable or not. So the RH criteria gives only the absolute stability of the system. Absolute stability of the system. That means if poles are lying on the right half of S-plane, then the system is unstable. If poles are lying on the left half of S-plane, then the system is stable. If any non-repeated poles are there in the imaginary axis, then the system is marginally stable. Like that, it will give the idea about the absolute stability of the system. But the root locus gives the relative stability of the system. By using root locus plot, we can find whether the system is relatively stable with respect to this point, or if the root locus branches are moving towards left hand side, then we can say that the system is relatively stable. If the root locus branches are moving towards the right hand side, then we can say that the system is relatively unstable. So root locus means roots of the characteristic equation. That means if you draw the path for the roots of characteristic equation, then you will get the root locus. With the help of root locus branches, we can find the system stability. If the root locus branches are moving towards the left hand side, then the system is relatively stable. If the root locus branches are moving towards right hand side, then the system is relatively unstable. Just I am writing down the definition here. So the root locus is the locus of the roots. Locus of the roots. Locus of the roots of characteristic equation. Locus of the roots of the characteristic equation of the system. Of the system. Of the system. When the gain parameter k, when the gain parameter k, when the gain parameter k is varied from 0 to infinity. So the root locus is nothing but it is the locus of roots of characteristic equation. Locus means path of the system when the gain parameter k is varied from 0 to infinity. So we have to vary the k value from 0 to infinity, and we have to sketch the path of the closed loop poles. The path of the poles are nothing but roots of characteristic equation. Closed loop poles are nothing but roots of characteristic equation. So by varying the k value from 0 to infinity, if you draw the path of roots of characteristic equation, the path of roots of characteristic equation, then it will become the root locus of the system. The root locus of the system. And we are having two more plots, that is complementary root locus, complementary root locus, complementary root locus, complementary root locus, The complementary root locus is nothing but if you draw the path of the roots of characteristic equation by varying the k value from minus infinity to 0, then you will get the complementary root locus. If you vary the k value from 0 to infinity and if you draw the path of roots of characteristic equation, then it is the root locus. If you vary the k value from minus infinity to 0 and if you draw the path for the roots of characteristic equation, then it is the complementary root locus. And we are having root contour, root contour, root contours. Root contour is nothing but in these two cases, in case of root locus, in case of complementary root locus, we are varying the k value, but in root contours, some other parameter. In the transfer function, we are having the various parameters. If you vary some other parameters, that means if you vary the multiple parameters at a time, then it is the root contour. I will discuss one by one clearly how to draw the root locus, how to draw the complementary root locus, and how to draw the root contours. So the root contour means if you vary the multiple parameters at a time, then you will get the root contour for the system. Root contour for the system. So in the next video, I will discuss the construction rules for the root locus. Hope you get some knowledge about the root locus. So thank you everyone.